Hey everyone, in this video we'll see how to create your very own chatbot using ChatGPT API in just 2 minutes. So open this link platform.openai.com, and from here you have to click on this icon and click on view API keys. Through here you will generate your very own API key. So for saving this, I'll create my very own Python file named API key.py, and here I'll paste my API key. Now that we have inserted our API key into the new file, we'll just write a code and create a chatbot. We'll type import OpenAI, which you can install through pip install OpenAI, and from API key.py file we'll import API. Means the API is the variable inside the API key.py file. Now to create a bit more dynamic, we'll create a question input box in which we'll write a prompt based triangular brackets, and you have to just paste this code right here. You can take a screenshot and write it down, and here we'll print response. Okay, we have to set our API key like this. First, open ai.api key is equals to the API variable which we stored inside the API key.py file. Now we'll run this, and I'll just type hello, and the response has been given. Hi, how are you? So Alex is the name of the bot that is typing to us. It's basically like ChatGPT, but it's unformatted. If you want a separate tutorial of it based on GUI, so you can just comment down and I'll make a separate video on it. This is for this video, and I'll see you.